Has the pre-halving started? Bitcoin price prediction continues to show strength, shrinking the chances of a correction before the pre-halving rally. Most bullish intraday traders are closely watching the $52,000 level, established as solid support. On the upside, $53,000 is an area of concern due to the liquidity anticipated. This range may extend to $53,400 of the hurdle could act as a price magnet, paving the way to $58,000. Bitcoin ordinals Devlionitis, largest ordinals airdrop ever, runestone, almost here. And as Bitcoin gradually moves closer to the halving hype cycle, investors are keen to spot opportunities before time runs out. The halving, which reduces miner rewards by half every 4 years, is anticipated in April. Crypto trader and analyst Rect Capital suggests that the transition to the pre-halving rally has started. It's now fully confirmed. Time is officially run out. Bitcoin is now completely transitioned into the pre-halving rally phase. BTC hashtag crypto hashtag Bitcoin. Rect Capital with rewards have the supply tends to shrink. The supply cringe coupled with high demand for BTC, especially with the spot ETF catching the attention of institutional investors. Many people believe the next rally, possibly several months after the event, will be the mother of all bull runs. Traditional investors are impressively warming up to crypto through the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US. So far, the cumulative total net inflow crossed the $5 billion and mark with $1.47 billion in total value traded. Index funds such as Bytebold Index are doubling down on their efforts to get more exposure to Bitcoin, with 25% of the fund accounted for in BTC, while gold takes up the remainder of the portfolio, 75%. Leading analyst James Van Straten believes more index funds, hedge funds, and pensions, among others, will soon be considering the allocation of at least 1% of their portfolios into Bitcoin, which will inevitably increase to 5 to 10%. Bytebold Index is 25% hashtag Bitcoin, 75% gold. I'm not commenting on the weighted percentage. I think this index is indicative of what is to come. In 2021, it was 18%. Bitcoin is now up to 25% allocation. Pensions, etc., will start to allocate a mere 1% into the Bitcoin. James Van Straten, historical data shows that Bitcoin tends to soar to new peaks after each halving, but this is not a sure thing. Bitcoin's price is influenced by many other factors, so investors should only risk what they can afford to lose. Navigating Bitcoin price technical outlook. Bitcoin price holds above the weekly open of $52,168 and the point of control of $52,236. If these levels don't give in, a bullish outcome will be highly likely amid expectations of a break above the previous week's high of $52,891. Above this, FOMO may kick in with BTC gaining momentum toward $54,000, affirming the potential for an extended pre-halving rally towards $60,000, although many analysts are pointing to $58,000 as a local peak and consequently an area of concern. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is about to flash a buy signal in the 4-hour range, making BTC more attractive to intraday traders. Losing $52,000 as support and closing below $51,800 could change the outlook of the market. This would imply that a dip occurs to allow for the collection of liquidity to steady the uptrend into the pre-halving zone. Related articles and some of the type of later, and that's something that we know, that we take all of the problems very, very clear home. And so South Korean ruling party eyes, Bitcoin ETF, and the easing IUL investment ban, a top AI tokens GRT, near tokens drive, AI sector rally amid OpenAI Sora hype. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.